Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toasts, easy method. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and melt a bit of butter so it bubbles but doesn't brown. Whisk 3 eggs with 1 cup milk and a teaspoon cinnamon, then dip bread briefly. Cook each slice until golden with a gentle flip, serve warm with syrup or fruit, and enjoy an easy breakfast that feels decadent. Start by gathering ingredients and arranging for an efficient workflow. Crack 3 large eggs into a bowl, add 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon sugar, then whisk until combined and slightly frothy. Slice the bread about 1 inch thick so it soaks evenly without falling apart. Set butter or oil in the pan and prep toppings like maple syrup, powdered sugar, or fresh berries for a quick finish. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, with a bright screen and waterproof design so you can keep it in the kitchen worry-free. I love how easy it is to store cookbooks and flip between instructions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat to achieve a crisp outside and tender inside by cooking on medium. Melt butter with a touch of oil so it browns less and the toast doesn't burn. Dip bread briefly, allow excess to drip, and place in the pan. Flip once when you see golden edges. Keep cooked slices warm in a low oven while you finish the batch, and top with fruit, syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.